wish you a very happy 60th birthday. 60 years of life experience. Wish you the best of years ahead. Good health, happiness, prosperity. The 60 years of life lived, well spent. Share the best of experiences with children and grandchildren. I wish you the best of luck, uncle. Take care.
Shajmone, welcome to the club. 60 is not that bad, okay? Better than 61. Anyway, we want to wish you all the best and healthy, happy years ahead, and take care, okay? Happy birthday. Take care. Bye-bye.
അറുപതാം പിറന്നാൾ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ഷാജി ചാക്കാങ്ങളിന് എൻ്റെയും കുടുംബത്തിൻ്റെയും പിറന്നാൾ ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. ദൈവം അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ.
Hi Shachan, happy 60th birthday. Congratulations on reaching 60 years. Wishing you a happy and healthy year ahead and hope to see you soon.
Saji, wishing you a very happy birthday and welcome to the 60s Club. Now it's I think about 3 decades since I know you both personally and professionally. It's been a long journey with you and continue to be a good human being and continue to enjoy your years to come. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Shaji uncle. Happy birthday.
ഹലോ ഷാജി, 60ാം ജന്മദിനം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ഷാജിക്ക് എല്ലാവിധ ജന്മദിന ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. ഒപ്പം എല്ലാ കുടുംബാംഗങ്ങൾക്കും നന്മകളും ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
ഹായ് ഷാജി, 60ാം ജന്മദിനം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന ഷാജിക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ജന്മദിനാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. ഇത്രയും നാളും ദൈവം തമ്പുരാൻ തന്ന എല്ലാ ഭാഗ്യങ്ങൾക്കും നന്മകൾക്കും ദൈവത്തിനോട് നന്ദി പറയുന്നു. ഇനിയുള്ള കാലങ്ങളും എല്ലാ നന്മകളും സൗഭാഗ്യങ്ങളും തന്ന ദൈവം അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ. ഒപ്പം പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട ഷേർലിക്കും മക്കൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്മകൾ ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Hello Shaicha, many happy returns of the day, especially on your 60th birthday. Wishing you good health, all happiness and prosperity in coming years as well. So have a good day with family and wishing you once again a wonderful birthday. Bye.
Hello Chaya, wishing you a very happy birthday. May Almighty bless you with a lot of happiness and a good health. Keep enjoying your life.
Many happy returns of the day, Shaji. Welcome to the group of senior citizen. Maybe 38 years back when I met you, you were such an active, young and energetic, enthusiastic young boy. I feel you are same even now. Your focus on skills, your focus on achieving goals have taken you to the height in the corporate sector. I assume you are quite successful both in personal and professional life. Taking care of your parents and imparting values to your daughters are quite laudable. Shaji, now it is time for you to relax and enjoy. I pray God to give you good health and happiness. May God bless you.
Hi Shaji uncle, happy birthday. Hope you have the best year and may God bless you.
Happy birthday Shachan, happy 60th. May God continue to bless you and give you another 60 more. Hope you get to spend your birthday with all your family and grandchildren and enjoy it.
ഹലോ ഷാജി, ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ. നമ്മൾ ആദ്യമേ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ ഷാജിക്ക് അന്ന് 25 വയസ്സേ ഉള്ളായിരുന്നു. കുഞ്ഞായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പോൾ 35 വർഷം കഴിഞ്ഞു നമ്മൾ പരിചയം തുടങ്ങിയിട്ട്. ദൈവം ഇതുവരെയും അനുഗ്രഹിച്ചു, എല്ലാവിധ നന്മകളും നൽകി. ഇനിയും അനേക വർഷങ്ങൾ ഇതുപോലെ 70, 80 വർഷം ഒക്കെ ബർത്ത്ഡേ ആഘോഷിക്കുവാൻ ദൈവം ആയുസ്സും നൽകട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവിധമായ സ്വർഗീയ അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങളും ദൈവം നൽകട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥനയിൽ ഓർക്കുകയാണ്.
Hello Shaija, happy 60th birthday. Let God give you good health, peace, joy and a blessed birthday. Praying for you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Shaji uncle. Hope you have a wonderful new year and a great day ahead.
Happy birthday, Shaji. How are you doing? Man, you turned 60 now, huh? That's it. Finished. Out of experience, I'm telling you. I got 1 year and 4 months ahead of you. Dang, that's it. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's not like that. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying my 60s. Everything is good. extra preferences we get, the senior discounts, and then the special respect we get as an old man. That's all good. It don't come easy. I mean, we work hard for it to reach the 60. I'm there as a forerunner, like John the Baptist, ahead of you. Take care. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day. And then God bless you. All my prayers and wishes are with y'all. Miss all of you. Good night. Take care. Bye.
Hi sir, hope you're doing well. Heard you turned 60 today. Wow, that's a wonderful achievement. I don't think I can't believe that you turned 60. Feels like you're just 30, and I remember the good old days. Back in 2000 when we started working together. I can't forget you because I was blessed to have a boss like you at the very beginning of my career. And today, whatever I am, I attribute to you because the kind of learning, the training that you've given me, I've learned a lot from you, whether it is patience, whether it is resilience, whether it is discipline, whether it is effective communication. You've been instrumental in shaping up my career, and thanks a lot for that, sir. I wish you a fantastic birthday, and I hope you have many more wonderful birthdays. You have a fantastic family. Please enjoy this day. Please enjoy your time with the family for the rest of the years. God bless you with good health, happiness, fun, joy, and all the best things in life. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for coming into my life.
Hello, Shaji uncle. Wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you. Have a nice day ahead and take care of yourself. Bye.
Happy birthday, Appacha. I love you so much.